Introduce highlight features or overview summary for DECOKTOOL Portable Sauna for Home, Infrared Sauna Box, Sauna Tent with 3 liters Steamer, Remote Control, Folding Chair, and Foot Pad. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 15-level heating. The steamer has a power of 1200 watts and a water capacity of 3 liters, with a total of 15 levels of heating. It can reach the maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius in just 8 minutes. The sauna box is equipped with a 1 to 99 minutes timer and comes with a remote control to control the heating level and time, allowing you to enjoy a convenient and comfortable sauna experience. Convenient design. The infrared sauna box has an internal pocket for storing small items like mobile phones. A transparent window allows you to stick your head out for air at any time. The hook design on the top can help you fix the door of the sauna box, making it more convenient for you to enter and exit the sauna box. Safety first. Our portable sauna has an advanced safety design with functions such as anti-dry burning, leak prevention, explosion prevention, and automatic power-off protection to ensure your safety. When you immerse yourself in the soothing steam, enjoy inner peace and let your health be protected. The durable structure of the home sauna ensures lasting performance and years of enjoyment. Enjoy a home spa. The heat emitted by the portable sauna for home can improve mood, relieve stress, lower cortisol levels, relieve physical pain, improve physical function and promote health. The full-size personal sauna box provides you with a better home spa experience and saves your time and money. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.